Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to install an NVMe driver on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Step 1. Update the driver using Device Manager. First, make sure your NVMe driver is properly installed on your motherboard. Next, turn on your PC, type Device Manager into the search bar and open it. Once the Device Manager opens, expand the storage controller category. You will see standard NVMe Express controller. Right click on it and select the update driver option. Then click search automatically for drivers. Windows will automatically search for and install the appropriate driver for your Windows. Windows will now search for the install the appropriate driver. If the best or latest driver is installed already, Windows will let you know that it's up to date. Otherwise, it will automatically install the correct driver. Once the process is complete, click close. Step 2. Alternative method using Windows Update. If you don't see standard NVMe Express controller in Device Manager, you can use this method instead. Go to the search bar, type Windows Update and open it. Click check for update and wait for Windows to search for available updates. If updates are available, install them to update Windows to latest version. Windows Update may also include the required NVMe driver. After all pending updates have been downloaded and installed, restore your computer. That's how you can easily install NVMe driver on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.